Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are having another very interesting and challenging question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate unknowns A and B. So let's get started with our equation given x equal to cube root 4 plus cube root 2 plus 1. Can we write cube root 4 as cube root 2 whole square? Then cube root 2, we can write cube root 2 as it is times 1, and last term 1 can be written as 1 square. Now if I will consider cube root of 2 equal to A and 1 equal to B, our x will become A square plus AB plus B square. Now I can write here one algebraic identity. It is A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. So I can write from here A square plus AB plus B square. This will be equal to A cube minus B cube over A minus B. So I can write here equal to A cube minus B cube over A minus B, where A is cube root 2, B is 1. So I can write x equal to cube root 2 whole cube minus 1 cube over cube root 2 minus 1. Now cube root and cube will be over. So I can write 2 minus 1 over cube root 2 minus 1. Or we can write 1 over cube root 2 minus 1. Let me write here 1 over cube root 2 minus 1. Now consider reciprocal both sides. So 1 over x will become cube root 2 minus 1. Let's take this minus 1 to the LHS. So 1 over x plus 1. This will be equal to cube root 2. Very important equation. Now I will consider squaring of this equation. 1 over x plus 1 whole square equal to cube root 2 whole square. Let's apply a plus b whole square formula. So we can write 1 over x square as a square plus 2 over x as twice ab plus 1 as b square equal to cube root 4. Now I can take this minus to the RHS. So 1 over x square plus 2 over x will be equal to cube root 4 minus 1. Let me write this equation here. 1 over x square plus 2 over x equal to cube root 4 minus 1. We have x power 4 in our given equation where we have to evaluate a and b. So I will consider squaring once again. Let us consider squaring both sides. So I can write here 1 over x power 4. Then I will write 4 over x cube. Then I will write 4 over x square. Right hand side I can write cube root 4 whole square. So can we write cube root 16? Then twice AB term will give us minus 2 times cube root 4 plus 1 square is 1. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Now I will write our previous equation 1 over x plus 1 equal to cube root 2. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So let us write power 3 and let us write power 3 here also. So a plus b whole cube. I will write 1 over x cube plus 1 a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, so 3 over x square, plus 3ab square, so 3 over x. RHS will be 2, as we can cancel cube and cube root. Now I will take 1 to the RHS, so I can write 1 over x cube plus 3 over x square plus 3 over x equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. I will call this is our equation number 2. Now you can see equation 1 and 2. Now I will take away second equation from first one. Let me write both the equations first. Now here we have equation 1 and 2. Now I will perform operation 1 minus 2. So let's subtract. I will change the sign. So I can write here 1 over x power 4, 4 minus 1. So it will be 3 over x cube. 4 minus 3. So it will be 1 over x square. Then we will write minus 3 over x. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will be over. So right hand side we can write cube root of 16 minus 2 times cube root of 4. Now I will take minus 3 over x to the RHS. So I can write 1 over x power 4 plus 3 over x cube plus 1 over x square equal to 3 over x plus cube root 16 minus 2 times cube root of 4. Let me write this equation here. So I will be writing 1 over x power 4 plus 3 over x cube plus 1 over x square equal to 3 over x plus cube root 16 minus 2 times cube root 4. Now we know that 1 over x was cube root 2 minus 1. So I can write 3 over x value. This value will be equal to 3 times cube root 2 minus 3, which we will apply here. Let's apply. So I can write 1 over x power 4 plus 3 over x cube plus 1 over x square equal to 3 times cube root 2 minus 3. Then we have two terms, cube root 16, and last one is 2 times cube root of 4. Now I will take this minus 3 to the LHS to complete LHS part. So I can write 1 over x power 4 plus 3 over x cube plus 1 over x square plus 3 equal to 3 times cube root 2 plus cube root of 16 minus 2 times cube root of 4. Let me write here. Now we can write 3 times cube root of 2. Now 16 can be written as cube root of 8 times 2 minus 2 times cube root of 4. Now cube root 8, I will take 2 out. So I can write 3 times cube root of 2 plus 2 times cube root of 2 minus 2 times cube root of 4. Now these two terms we can add. So it will be 5 cube root of 2 plus, no, it is minus 2 times cube root of 4. Now I can multiply here with cube root of 4 divided by cube root of 4. Here also cube root of 2 over cube root of 2. Now you can see cube root of 2 times cube root of 4. It is cube root of 8. We can write value 2. Similarly, here also I will write cube root of 4 times cube root of 2, which is cube root of 8. So value will be 2. So we can write 5 times 2 over cube root 4 minus 2 times 2 over cube root 2. So I can write finally 10 over cube root 4 minus 4 over cube root 2. So I can write my final answer. A will be equal to 10 and B will be equal to 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Good luck.